What's going on, you guys? This is the second part of the video in regards to our gold trade that we took, utilizing not only our analysis, but also utilizing the confirmations that we have inside of our perfect entry trading system. Right now, I'm looking at gold on TradingView on a 15-minute chart. Notice we saw gold going up. Like I said, it was going to ultimate highs. I believe this is an ultimate high here. But we did see a trend channel. We noticed a trend channel going on, so I went ahead and put a trend line at the bottom. And usually when you see a trend channel, you don't want to go against the trend unless market structure is broken. Whenever you get a break of a trend channel or a trend line, that signifies signifies that market structure is broken. But not only did it break the trend channel, usually when you get a break of anything, whether it's a trend channel, support and resistance, you want to look for a retest. Usually the market will come up to retest that level. And if it retests the level and it successfully retested to where it doesn't go back above or below, depending on what you're looking for, in this case, it breaks the trend line, we look for a retest. We got a retest here. It did not go back into the zone. It came back down. We got another retest here. Look at how these retest this trend line based off of market structure from the past. It breaks the structure, and then once it breaks the structure, it came back up to retest the structure here and here. These are multiple entries you can get in the market. But not only that, this is an impulsive move that breaks structure. You want to have a strong move to break structure, and it's breaking structure coming out of a resistance area. Notice we have a touch here to the resistance. You have consolidation here at this resistance area. It comes back up to this resistance. So this yellow line is your resistance area. Then boom, it comes from your resistance, breaks through your trend line or breaks through your market structure and gives you an impulsive move, which is a good sign that we may be going from an uptrend into a downtrend because it breaks structure and it's an impulsive move. But usually after an impulsive move, the market is not going to just continue to go down. You want to wait for a pullback. Does the pullback come back into structure? That is what we're looking for. We're looking for a retest. So it came back up, it retest once, came back down, came back up, retest again, came back down, came up here, and being that we're on a 15-minute time frame, it created a double top right here and right here. Not only did it create a double top, but it was also being restricted by a smaller resistance level. At one point in time, this was support. Here, it was resistance, came to support. So if I was to put a line here just to reflect based off of this support here in this consolidation phase, look where market came back up to. It respected now, which was once support, is now resistance, breaks another trend line again. The same thing on this longer trend channel. We have a smaller trend channel. So we went ahead and put another trend line. We got a break of the trend line again. And what we're supposed to do, we're supposed to wait for the retest. Look how precise that retest is. This is your entry. As long as it does not go back above into your zone of your trend channel or into the zone of the resistance or break the resistance, we're looking for sell opportunity. So that is why we saw the markup, we saw the break of structure once, we saw the impulsive move, we saw the collection of data in a resistance area, we saw the retest of the structure, retest of the resistance area, another break of structure once again, another retest of the broken market structure based off of trend line analysis, and it's also continuously stopping under our resistance zone. So we went ahead and started placing sales. But notice also we have tools inside. It gave us the short at the resistance area. So this is just the markup. Once you get the markup, then of course you want to take it over to your system, your perfect entry trading system, just to make sure we get perfect entries. Here's the first markup here from the first initial trend line break. And then we have the other one here. I believe this is a 5-minute, not a 15. It will look a little different if we put it on the 15. This is the second, actually, this is the second break of trend analysis. This is actually the first here. Oops. So this is the first trend line where we got a break. Now your candles are red. This is your second trend line. We got a break, and then you got the retest of your money line. You're still in seller's territory, so we went ahead and wrote it on down. Currently over 380 pips in profit. So not only do we utilize the perfect entry trading system, I know a lot of people want to refrain from indicators, and I understand why. You want to make sure that you understand the price action, because price action is very, very important. Market structure and trend analysis is important, as well as the fundamentals and the technical side of trading. So some people may see the perfect entry trading system and it may seem like a lot because there's a lot on the screen, but we just wanted to make sure that we give enough value, enough information there for the newbie traders, because there are newbie traders that are coming in as well. You cannot disclude them out of the equation. We want to make sure that they're getting results as well. And some of these newbie traders don't necessarily understand price action, market structure, trend analysis to the T just yet. They're still new. So the perfect entry trading system is just for added confirmation. Therefore, it allows them to see that they are in seller's territory because the candles are red. You're not supposed to be making any buy orders if the candles are red. You're not supposed to be making any sell orders if the candles are blue. So we have extra confirmations, multiple tools. We have dashboards when it comes to candlestick patterns, wedge and pennant patterns, divergence indicators. We have our own dashboards for the perfect entry trading system. So we have jam-packed multiple dashboards, indicators, and templates inside of the system to make it easier for the trader. Of course, you want to understand everything behind the charts, but everybody is not going to get the knowledge that they deserve or the knowledge that they need in order for them to be consistent. Therefore, they use tools. It's just like if you were building something from the store. Would you rather do it by hand, or do you want to drill? The drill makes it easier. The perfect entry trading system will make it easier for the trader to find the entries and exits that they need. Therefore, they can be a more consistent trader, because the goal is to be consistent. The goal is to get the results that you deserve. So however you see fit on getting it, I don't care if you need indicators, I don't care if you need templates, whatever you need to get you the results that you deserve, then so be it. So we continuously adding more value to the system, joining our team. We don't focus on the system, we focus on the education. We want to make sure that you're learning market structure, you're learning your trend line analysis, you're learning the fundamentals and the technical side of trading. Therefore, you can trade based off of certain patterns that you see with the naked eye, or certain price action candles that you see popping up on the chart. And once you understand how to trade like that, then of course the system will make it even easier. So if you're struggling in Forex, if you're looking for a community of traders, our team alone has multiple 5, 6, and 7-figure traders that's on the team silently teaching our members, even all the way down to the newbies to the advanced, on how to be consistent traders. Not only are we teaching them the strategies, we're doing live training sessions and live trade sessions every single day. So as long as you know how to copy and paste, as long as you know how to pull out your MC4 on your phone and computer and put in a trade, you can follow our successful traders on the live trade sessions. I don't know many groups out there that are doing live trade sessions every single day with 6-figure traders. So if you want to follow the lead of the leaders that's within this industry that is making consistent results, then get on our calls, get on our sessions, and make sure you're tuning in, because we're giving away the sauce. We're making sure that you become the signal. You don't have to take any signals, because you know the strategy that the signal is coming from. You know the strategies that the banks are using based off of institutional levels. So once you get started, we're going to put you in a study group. We're going to get you caught up to speed. We're going to get you access to the perfect entry trading system after you go through the syllabus, because we want to make sure that you understand what you're looking at. And once you understand what you're looking at, and then you get your hands on the perfect entry trading system, it is going to make it much, much easier. So if you're still struggling, if you're looking for the right community, if you're looking for a way to multiply your money, even if you don't know what the heck Forex is right now, it is okay. We have people coming in brand new, and within 30 days, they're already taking trades and making money off of the money that they already have. Putting your money in a bank account is you're being robbed by the banks. You don't want to put money in a bank account so it can collect dust while the banks is getting rich off of your hard-earned money. we're teaching people how to take that same $500, instead of putting in the bank account to collect dust, you can take that $500, put it in the broker's account, follow our trades, and you can make 10% on your money on a day-to-day, week-to-week, or month-to-month basis. Of course, results vary, because investing in anything in life is not 100% guaranteed. Nothing is perfect. There are risks. Therefore, you have to trade with risk management. But once you have a team, the education, the tools, and the resources, we want to make your winning percentage go up, and we want to make sure you're getting the consistent results that you deserve. So hopefully you make a wise decision. If you're not a part of the Winning Circle team, get in contact with me so I can get you plugged in, get you inside of our group, get you our study syllabus inside of our study group, get you connected to me, myself, as a mentor, and other 5- and 6-figure traders inside of our team, the Winning Circle team, the Paid to Live team, inside of one of the best platforms online right now, Trading. You need to be a part of this, because right now we're going through an economic collapse. We're going through a wealth transfer, a reset, and a pandemic all at the same time. And I don't want anybody watching this video get left behind. So get in contact with me so that I can show you the results that I'm getting. I can show you the results that some of our new members are getting. Therefore, show you the results that you can get as well. I'll see you in the next video.